Alright guys, try to resume where I left off. My iPhone's not in a stable position, so I'm gonna try to be as ever so gentle, ever so gentle with filming. And here we go. This is day 3, I believe. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've already loosened the bolts, so I'm taking this off. And when you loosen these bolts, you want to loosen these bolts evenly so that you don't, well, the proper way anyway. You don't, what do you call it? I guess warp the flywheel. I don't know. Something to do with it even, you know, if you put it in even, you want to take it out even, same way. And what I did was I loosened the bolts in small increments. Trying to feel under here until they're all loose. There's no pressure on the wheel or the flywheel. Uh-oh. Oh, not too bad. Okay. So we're good there. And of course, oops. So I apologize for the odd angle of filming this, given I've only got an iPhone and no tripod. I'm improvising here. It's late hours, so yeah. One thing to also note is, oh, there it is. When you're, let's see, the shiny side. Okay. When you get down to the last bolt, you just, well, you got dowels pins holding the flywheel, so you should be good. But still want to be good. In order to accomplish this, I don't know if you can see this guy here. So holding it on the teeth, starter teeth, not the signal wheel teeth, which I'll show you in a bit here. So I just want to make sure I got all my bolts. Yeah, I think I got them all. Okay. So we're going to take out the clutch. Oh wow, it's really in there. So grab my small pry tool. I don't need this anymore. Positions. So when you pry, you don't want to pry on the mating surface, which is deep in there. The outer is where you want to go pry it. So I'm just going to do it right here. There you go. Oh shit. Come on. Oh shit, come on. Just want to, there we go. And one. Let me grab that clutch. Alright guys, moving on here. Just gonna observe. Focus. Surface looks, it's hard to tell. I've never replaced a flywheel on this Nissan in the years that I've owned it, but I'm just showing you. Okay, now moving on. Here's your, see if I can get a good angle here, guys. Come on, there's your starter teeth. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Starter teeth right here. Your signal for the position sensor is on the back there, the very back, the smaller one. Okay, so what I did was ever so gently, this is what I did. Okay, see that right where the dowel is? Put it right there. Okay, so it's resting on the dowel, and this angle, I don't know if you guys can see that. You never wanna, dude, come on, this angle's terrible. Okay, see if I can get close from here, guys, sorry. You never wanna get it on the signal plate right there. Now on camera, it looks like I'm touching it, but it's recessed. See if I can film this a different way. Come on. But I got it away as much as I could. Kind of like that. So you see how that looks? You never want to pry on the signal plate. Alright, a little more inspection on the crank, or shit, yeah. Alright, now we're going on to the clutch and pressure plate, and I'm looking at it. Excuse me, guys. And it appears we still have somewhat of some material. I'm trying to be very gentle because I don't want to be, there's dust on this thing, so see if I can focus here. So we do have some material remaining. Here's your flywheel right here. Dude, I'm so tired I can't even express the parts right. So your pressure plate, I'm sorry. So surface doesn't feel like there's any deep grooves of any sort. But they are grooves nonetheless. Clutch spring, everything looks okay. So I think the main thing was the noise coming from the release bearing on the transmission input shaft itself.